And what is up, y'all? Welcome back. So today I got Dave out. Hello, Dave. Standing by a huge pile of trash. But I got Dave out and we're gonna take the GTR out. We're gonna do some dog box lessons because my next gearbox can't be standard, and I've made the decision that dog engagement is where I'm gonna go with it. So today we got the GTR out in a super foggy weather today, and we're gonna do some lessons, and I'm hopefully not gonna break anything, I guess.
Yeah, hopefully.
So we're ready to go. We'll go ahead and start this bad boy up. Oh yeah. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and give you guys a master versus apprentice style video. So where Dave obviously has this, he can do it in his sleep, and I can't. So I'm gonna have a go afterwards, but we're gonna see like how smooth his engagements are, like, you know, try and pick up as many notes as we can on the way, and then we'll swap and we'll see how terrible I do this.
Yeah, basically for downshift, you just pull on it, quick click, just rev match it and drop it down.
So no clutch up or downshift.
No. Shift slow,
Yeah.
drive fast, shift fast. There's no in between with it. So it's in betweens, you're gonna basically hurt your knuckle or something like that when you shift, and you're gonna feel it through your arms. So a lot of people break them straight away. That's purely because they've never had a dog box before, and you know the mentality thinking is jumping straight in and going out to the track or something, and next minute broken a box or bent a fork or something.
Yeah.
But you know, like, you highly recommend 2-3 weeks. Learn it. You know, learn it before you go out there and beat the shit out of it.
Oh, 100%.
If you can't swim and you want to learn to swim, do you jump in the deep end?
Yeah, 100%.
First go? No, you don't. So,
100%. That's 100% right.
So just basically take the time, learn it a bit. Like, everyone's like, oh, you got to slam it and do this. Like, if you look now, like that's
and that's no clutch.
no clutch. Oh yeah, there's still no clutch. They're driving around with no clutch. I've had the box for 5 years before I did a freshen up. Not one problem through the 5 years, and that's 5 years of punishment.
And that's like not just street driving. That's like
No, that's full out circuit.
Did the Bathurst hill climb,
Yeah, hill climb.
world time attack.
Yeah, 5 years.
Yeah.
So, and then plus all the track days in between that to, you know, make sure everything's right with the car. But the freshen up was done because the box was out. It's, you know, nothing wrong with it. Just peace of mind, really. The box is out. Why not get it looked at?
Yeah.
Been 5 years, so peace of mind.
It's all well and good having a dog box, but I think we do need to kind of talk about, there's some real dangers with having a dog box, because one of the things, like, it's less likely, it's still likely, but less likely to do is go back into first gear. And if you do that money shift with a dog box and you don't catch it with the clutch, you are going to over rev your engine. And you ain't gonna stop it easy. Like, it's gonna over rev. So the money shift is a real thing with a dog box, because you don't have that protection of the synchro mesh kind of stopping you from going into first gear, making it hard. A dog box will allow you to go into any gear at any speed at any time. So you need to be cognizant of what your shifts are and, you know, what gear you're going into, because like I said, it will let you go into first or reverse.
But you know, 32, you're never going to go from 5 to.
Bro, you're gonna put it in race mode? Because you don't have to use the clutch to shift, your shifting is one, a lot faster, and two, your engine revs don't drop as far. So if you do it well enough, the car will sound like it's got a sequential in it. No clutch downshift, that's so sick. I think I lost my glasses. That was killer. Alright, so now I'm gonna have a try and we'll swap and go from there. Go ahead. Hopefully I don't break nothing. Let's do this. See if I can fit in here.
No clutch.
God, no. It's a habit. Like.
No. Because you're on load. So keep the accelerator in.
Yeah.
And put your hand on there.
Yeah.
So on the load, go on the load. Off just a touch and.
So it is exactly like a bike sequential, because that's all you do to change gears on the bike is just have your foot on the lever and apply pressure, and then when you come off the throttle a little bit, it just goes into the next gear.
Correct.
That's fucking sick. That is cool.
So if you want to go down gear, like you're on the pressure now, just go into neutral. And give it a rub.
Oh, that's sick. You don't even need the clutch.
No.
That's cool. So, that's so cool. Dude, that is so sick. I definitely want a dog box. I don't know about the straight cut part, because this would kill me, but the weird part is it's actually worse to use the clutch.
Yeah.
Like it's worse to drive using the clutch.
Yeah, that's right.
That's crazy. Yeah, I think I'm sold. Dog box it is. Because like my biggest worry with doing it was gonna take away from the driving experience. But I think it's actually exactly the opposite. Like it makes you more in tune with the car.
Yeah. Just remember, you're in rear-wheel drive mode.
Yeah, I'm not. Trust me, I'm more worried about where the cops are. have to like you said, you got to take that time to learn the car so that you know where in the RPM you should be at under normal driving conditions, you know?
Yeah.
It's all right. All right. So oh, and that's the other thing is like, because you don't use the clutch and you need to blip the throttle, you have to plan where you're gonna go, like what gear you're gonna go in advance.
Yeah, that's right. Too much.
Yeah. Oh wow. I think it was because I was on loads too quick.
Yeah. Just timing. That's all it is.
Yeah.
Like I said, you know, if you get a box 2-3 weeks, just drive it like you're on the street normally.
Yeah.
Get used to the rev changes, the down changes.
Yeah, like driving like that, that's pretty easy.
Yeah.
It's just the concept of not using the clutch when you're, I guess when it's drilled into you. Oh, see, I was about to do it there.
It's good change.
And that's something else, like, because you're so, like, it's drilled into you to use the clutch.
Yeah.
When you get into situations like that, you have to think quick, because you can't freeze up and be like, oh shit, oh. You know what I mean? Like, I was like, oh god, what do I do? Alright, let's see how we do this.
Well, now's your time to go down gear.
Alright.
So push it up. Flip. Yeah, that's a good one. Again. Yeah.
Look at that, no clunks at all.
No clunks at all.
That's a new slogan, no clunks at all. Buy our gearbox.
Just
I even got first gear.
ballsy.
So now I'm using the clutch because obviously we're not moving and the wheels are, you know, not turned into all that magic in the gearbox isn't happening. I feel accomplished.
All you're doing with the clutch is slowing down the gears.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. And like we were saying with the dog engagement, if you're using the clutch, it's slowing the gears down too much.
that's right.
So 1, 2. No real big clunk. Clutch. Man, it feels so much worse.
Like so you're actually banging it.
I can hear the dogs clanking against it. I can feel that in the gear stick.
Yeah, they don't like it.
Look at how much smoother that is.
So no clutch, so much smoother.
Yeah. Man, I'm like... I came too far off. There we go. Dude, it's the smallest freaking movement with your foot.
Yeah.
That is nuts.
Yeah.
Like, once you understand that part of it,
Yep.
it's so much easier.
Yeah.
So much easier.
Yeah, you just gotta lift that minute little bit.
It's so small. So small. Alright, well, since traffic's starting to... Dang, I just spit everywhere. Since traffic is starting to pick up again, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Dave, thank you very much for letting me come out and...
No clutch.
I know, but I was monologuing. Yeah, no clutch. For letting me drive the beast of a GTR and learn how to drive a dogbox. I really do appreciate that.
Hey, you're welcome.
And yeah, clutching it. See, it's so hard to do when you're like not focused on it. Okay. Okay, we're good. Yeah. I'll see you guys back in the cage. if I do it slow?